Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I'm Yolo Queen Bee, and I'm doing reading for Leo for November 2021. I have cleansed the cards, prayed over them, and I'll give them a couple more quick shuffles. How you doing, Leo? I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. All right, Spirit, Elohim, Spirit guides. What's the messages for Leo? What's going on with the Leo collective? Ooh. Catch them while they're hot. What's going on, Leo? What's going on, Leo? What's going on, Leo? What's going on, Leo? All right, Leo. We have Two of Cups, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Cups, Eight of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles. Ooh, Leo. Two of Cups. Are you trying to offer a partnership, or a cup of love to somebody? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. That means this upright, she's independent, she's got her own money, she's stable. She's focused on her money. All upside down means that she's not focused on her money. Something's going on with the Queen of Pentacles. What is it? What is it? And the phone just went ding. So let's see what... I gotta see the Queen of Pentacles going on with her. Yeah. So this is someone who's materialistic and unreliable. So is that who you're trying to offer your Two of Cups to? Someone who's materialistic? Yeah, look at it. You're trying to offer or someone's trying to offer you a cup of love, but you see, the Page of Cups is messages. So that means someone's trying to send a message of bringing you a cup of love. But look at, there's already something in it, a fish. So maybe, Leo, someone's trying to offer you a collaboration. Someone who's focused on materialism, unreliable, trying to offer you some kind of petty offer of love. Also, could it be a water sign? You know, this is definitely the Pisces card. So it could be Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. And the Queen of Pentacles, you know, these are earth signs. Could be Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn as well. There's going to be a message. Maybe there's going to be some message from this page about a love offering they want to give you. And you know, it could lead to materialism, material and financial abundance. Maybe it might not be an emotional connection, because this is truly about a partnership. Maybe there's feelings there, but I'm getting more partnership. Like it's more of a Hillary and Bill Clinton kind of a thing. It's more of a business deal relationship than, let's say, an emotional or a loving one. So, you know, that's good. If you're all about your money, you know, your focus is money and not love. Hey, it is what it is, but I'd watch out. You know, there's a stinky fish in that cup. That's what Spirit said. That's what I'm saying. I'm just repeating what they tell me. What's this Two of Cups? Tell me what's really going on with this Two of Cups. See? Going away to calmer waters. So you know that this is definitely not an emotional connection. That's why you're willing to go to calmer waters. Or maybe you have to make a choice about going to calmer waters. What about this Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Clarify the Three Cups. Yeah. So with this person who's focused on materialism, money, there's going to be, good celebration and some kind of, this is a new beginning in money, inheritance, a lump sum of money. But like I said, whatever small token of emotion they're going to offer to you, their cup is already filled with something else. So I'd be aware of that. What is this Page of Cups with the fish? The air font. That means a marriage. That's a marriage. Maybe they're already married. And that's the information or the messages that might come in about it. Clarify this air font. Underneath is the devil. Ooh, devil backstab. That's the bottom of the deck. So yeah, maybe this person is marriage, and that's what the betrayal is. And the devil, that means someone's bonded. There's some kind of addictions. The devil in Tarot is the Capricorn card. So it could be a Capricorn because we talk about pentacles here. Dang, Leo. Clarify this air font, please. Yep. Third party situation, collaboration, business deal. Something you might have to pay attention to. And what's this Eight of Wands? What's the communication? What are they trying to say? It's going to take strength, or a Leo might be bringing you some information or messages. What does this Leo have to say? Clarify the strength. Temperance. That means patience. Something is being properly planned, or right here someone is doing careful mixing. It also could be Sagittarius energy. There's two Leo and Sagittarius energy, fire signs. So maybe there's some messages about a marriage coming in, about a Leo and a Sagittarius. Who knows? A collaboration. What's happening, Leo? Is this you? You're going to give somebody some messages about being patient, about some kind of proper planning. And it's 10 of coins. There's some kind of there's been some kind of conflict, but this person's is at an advantage point when it comes to this conflict. Clarify the Eight of Wands. Clarify the Eight of Wands, Spirit. Thank you. Yep. Nine of Wands. That means someone's coming in with some optimism and some, enthusiastic news. Like I said, these are cards of actions. Knights are about actions, that they come in, they have a come and go energy. So maybe that's what the conflict has been. So it looks like you have a choice between, making money with someone who's attached in some way, a partnership. Like it's more of a business deal than an emotional partnership. Or maybe they're married, and maybe that's the fine line you have to walk. Like you have to keep your boundaries. Anything else? Elohim. King of Wands. Again, a lot of fire energy. All fire energy. Major. That's a major arcana. 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcana. So this is definitely Spirit's trying to talk to you. Spirit's trying to lead you to make a decision. But, with someone who's materialistic, so that's something you're going to have to think about. I keep hearing conflict, conflict. So maybe something is causing a lot of conflict to be in a partnership. Between fire and water, and you know, water will always try to snuff out the fire, so there's something you have to be careful as well. So there you go. There you go, Leo. You have to. A partnership could definitely lead to some gains in money, but there's incoming communication about a commitment or a marriage, or someone's been talking to a counselor or court. Going to bring some information about a collaboration, maybe between a fire sign, some fire signs. Who you doing business with, Leo? Better watch out for them third-party situations, though. That's for sure. All right, let's get you a oracle card. I'm doing Oracle by Gaia, Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful cards. And they have great messages as well. Where are you going, Gata? My cat's creeping. Her name is Gata. She's a black cat. I'm going to take it. Ocean of eternal love, healing, creativity, and fertility. Ooh, and it's a 44 card. 44. 44 is also a master number. 44 breaks down to 8. 8 means abundance. Hear that? 44. It is said that love conquers all. This is especially true for you at the moment. Something is resolved and healed through love. What was previously barren now becomes fertile. A seed is planted and you are the co-creator. The conditions are favorable. The timing is right. A new creation awaits you. The birth of something new brings joy and excitement. The forever changing seasons of eternity turn invisible wheel turns their invisible wheel, and a new cycle begins. A new image is born. Affirmation. Love heals, love brings resolution, love conquers, love creates, love is eternal. And maybe that's going to be your issue, Leo. Either choosing material or love. All right. Well, that's what I have for you for November, Leo. Remember, I'm Yolo Queen Bee, and you only live once. And I love you. Namaste.